Students, I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a representative of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. In the last video, we introduced chapter number 3, matrices. Now we are taking exercise number 3.1, that means the first exercise of chapter number 3, class 12, mathematics, known as matrices. First question, if matrix 2a plus b, a minus 2b, 5c minus d and 4c plus 3d will be equal of elements 4, minus 3, 11 and 24, then find the value of a, b, c and d. Student, what is the message? What is the demand of question? Demand of question, find the value a, b, c and d when these matrix will be equivalent of these matrix. So, student, focus. The elements of the first matrix 2a plus b, a minus 2b, 5c minus d, 4c plus 3d will be equivalent 4 minus 3, 11 and 24. Simple. Solution is there. 2a plus b, 5c minus d, a minus 2b, 4c plus 3d will be equal 4 minus 3, 11 and 24. Compare matrix first by the matrix second. First element will be equal of first element and second element will be equal of second, third element will be equal of third and fourth element will be equal of fourth, such that after the comparison between the matrices first and matrices second, we getting 2a plus b will be equal of 4 and a minus 2b will be equivalent of minus 3, as well as here 5c minus d will be equal of 11 and 4c plus 3d will be equal of 24. Equation number third, equation number fourth, equation number first, equation number second. Student, there are many solutions. We choose elimination method, substitution method, Paravartya method, unique solution method, substitution method and so on, different types of the methods. So we choose simply find the value of the b from the equation number 1 and put in the equation number 2, then something is getting by equation first. 2a plus b equal to 4 such that b equal to 4 minus 2a. So a minus 2b, b is 4 minus 2a will be equal minus 3 such that a minus 8 minus plus 4a equal to minus 3. A plus 4a will be equal of 5a minus convert into the plus 5a equal to 5a will be equal of 1. Putting the value of a in equation number depends on me first or second. Equation number first, 2 into a plus b equal to 4. 2 1 ja. Very good. That means we getting the values of the a and b. Now time for value of c and d. We have to solve equation number 3 and 4. Now by equation 3, 5c minus d equal to 11 such that 5c minus 11 will be equal of d. So d equal to 5c minus 11. Equation number, remove equation number. So putting the value of d in equation number 4 by equation number 4. What is the demand of 4? 4c plus 3d. d that means 5c minus 11 will be equal of 24. 4c plus 3 5 ja 15. 33 equal to 24 plus 24 minus convert into plus 19c equal to 7 and 5. 19 1 जा 19, 19 2 जा 19. I hope 57, that means 19 cancel out will be equal of C. So C will be equal of 3. Now we have to find out the value of D. Students, by use of equation number third, what is the demand of third? 5C minus D equal to 11. 5C, where is the C? C will be equal of 3 minus D equal to 11. 15 minus D equal to 11. 15 minus 11 equal to D. So D will be equal of 4. I hope you getting the all values. So answer, required answer, A will be equal of 1, B will be equal of 2, C will be equal of 3 and D will be equal of 4. I hope student you getting the proper solution of question number first. Question number first, ठीक है, if 2A plus B, A minus 2B, 5C minus D, 4C plus 3D will be equal of 4 minus 3, 11 and 24, then find the value of A, B, C, D. ठीक है, a simple solution of question number first. Student, question number 2, what is the demand of the question? Find 2A plus 3B. 2 and 3 are coefficient of A and B, and A and B are matrices of 2 by 2. Simple question is there. Solution, given that matrix A will be equal of 1 0 and 0 1, and matrix B will be equal of 0 minus 1 and 0. Student, what is the demand of question? Find the value of 2A plus 3B. So we taking 2A, 2 into A. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 2. 2 into 0 equal to 0. 2 into 0 equal to 0. 2 1 ja 2. Very good. Now time for 3B. What is the mean of the 3B? 3 into B, B, that means 0 minus 1 0. Multiply by 3 in each and every element of matrix B. 3 dot 0 equal to 0. 3 into minus 1 minus 3, then minus 3, then 0. So student, according to the condition of question, we have to find out value of 2A plus 3B. What is the mean of the 2A? 2A will be equal to 0 0 2 and 3B. Where is the 3B beta? 0 minus 3 0. How we add? First element will be added with the first element. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, and last one is the 2 plus 0. I hope student you getting very well. 2 plus 0, that means 2, then minus 3, then minus 3 and 2. Solution is there. Solution is there. Student, I recall the question. If matrices A equal to this and matrices B equal to this, then find the value of 2A plus 3B. 2A plus 3B. So firstly I getting 2A, 2 into A, that means matrices A, multiply by 2, that means each and every element, then 3B multiply by 3. 2A plus 3B will be equal of these. I hope student you getting the proper solution of question number second. Student, next question is there, x plus y, where x and y are variable. X plus y equal to matrices and x minus y equal to another matrices. Then find the value of x and y. What is the demand of the question? Find the value of x and y. x plus y equal to these and x minus y equal to these. So we have to solve out. Given that x plus y equal to 1 minus 2 3 and 4 and x minus y equal to 3 2 minus 1 and 0, equation number 2. According to the class 10th, we know the method elimination. So by equation first and second, y will be cancelled by the y, x plus x will be equal of 2x RHS 1 minus 2 3 and 4 plus RHS 3 2 minus 1 0, such that 2x will be equal first element, add with the first element 1 plus 3 minus 2 plus 2 3 plus minus 1 4 plus 0 4 plus 0. So 2x will be equivalent 3 plus 1 equal to 4 plus minus 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 4 plus 0 equal to 4. But we have to find out the value of x, but here we getting 2x. So ठीक है, 2 is a coefficient of x such that convert into denominator 4024. That means each and every element divide by 2. So required solution of x, 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, 0 divided by 2 equal to 0, 2 divided by 2 that means 1 and 4 divided by 2 that means 2. I hope you getting the value of x in the matrices form. Now demand of question, find the value of y according to the equation number first. X plus y equal to 1 minus 2 3 and 4, just like a elimination method of the class 10. Put the value of x will be equal to 0 1 2 plus y equal to 1 minus 2 3 and 4. Y will be equal 1 minus 2 3 4. The matrices consist the positive signature as a coefficient, then convert into negative 2 0 1 2. How we subtract? In the last video I explained the first element, subtract by the first element 1 minus 2, then 2 minus 0, 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. So students, plus minus minus 1, minus minus plus, 3 minus 1 2 and 4 minus 2 will be equal of 2. The required solution of the given question, here x will be equal of matrices 2 0 1 2 and y will be equivalent of minus 1 minus 2 2 and 2. Student, next question, if y equal to 3 2 1 4 and 2x plus y equal to 1 0 minus 3 and 2, then find the matrix x. What is the demand of question? Matrix x, that means here x and y is not a variable, here x and y is a representative of matrix. So students, solution, given that y equal to matrix 3 2 1 4 and 2x plus y equal to 1, 0, minus 3 and 2. What will we do? Use your mind. What will we do? Put the value of y in the equation number first. Putting y equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 in equation number first. 2x plus y 3, 2, 1, 4 equivalent 1, 0, minus 3 and 2. What will we do, student? We have to find the value of x. 1, 0, minus 3 and 2. Matrices transfer from LHS to RHS, convert with the opposite sign. So 2x equal to first element, subtract by the first element, then second minus second, then third minus third, and fourth minus third. So my dear student, 2x equal to 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2, 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2, minus 4, and 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Danger! All values consist the negative sign. So x will be equal. 2 is a coefficient of x, convert into denominator. That means what is the mean of this sentence? X 2 divided by 2 equal minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. That is the value of x, or may be represented by like this. X will be equal of minus 1. 1, 1, 2 and 1. That means we taking the common negative side. Student, in the question y equal to matrix 2x plus y equal to another matrix, we have to find out the value of x. So we put the value of the y in the given equation and the transfer matrix positive to negative, subtract between the two matrices, first element minus first element, second minus second, third minus third, and fourth one minus fourth one. The required solution is here. I hope student you getting the all variations of the exercise number 3.1. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel.